Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unfriend people fast inside of Roblox. Okay, so to do this we need to go ahead and add an extension. So I'm on Google Chrome, go to extensions, click onto visit Chrome Web Store. Now once we're here we need to go ahead and click on search extensions and themes. So we need to type in Roblox friend remover button. So this is an extension. So at the time recording, it's got 60,000 users. So go ahead and click on add to Chrome. So add extension. Now, once that adds that extension to Google Chrome, you can go ahead and click on the extensions. You can see this has been added. From here, go back to Roblox, refresh it. You might need to get out of your Explorer and come back in, then come to connect. Now it's going to see all your connections here. And now from here, we can go ahead and click onto all your friends or friends you don't want to have inside your connections anymore, and then simply click on unfriend select, and that's going to remove your friends from your friends list.